Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter number 7 Cube and Cuberoots class 8th. So let's start this. As we know that a cube is a three-dimensional figure with all edges equal. So we can say a shape or an object which has three parameters and all that three parameters are equal is a cube. As we know, this is the figure of a dice. We used to play an indoor game Ludo with this dice. This is the three-dimensional figure and it is known as cube. Similarly, this is one more cube. This is called the rubric cube, and in this we arrange the same colors in a face. Now what is the concept of this cube? This question arises in your mind that how this cube is related to the numbers. So let's talk about this. As we know that volume of a cube is space occupied by an entire object is its volume. So we can say volume of object is its length, breadth and height, product of these three dimensions. So we can say the volume of cube is side into side into side. That is, in a cube the length, breadth and height all are equal. As I said that a cube, that is all the three dimensions are equal. So we can say volume of cube is side into side into side also. So this is a cube, this one more cube and this one more cube. Now let's talk about these three figures as they all are the cubes. So let's take, this is a cube where its length is 1 centimeter, its breadth is 1 centimeter, its height is also 1 centimeter. That is, height, length and breadth all are of 1 centimeter. In this first scenario of this cube, we have the volume will be 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So we can write this is the product of 1 3 times. So we can write 1 cube, or we can say the volume of this cube is 1 centimeter cube. Let's take the second one example of this cube. In this, as this is the bigger cube compared to this first cube, where we have 1 2 3 4, these 4 cubes are here and the four cubes are behind of these 4 cubes. So we can say that the height of this cube is, and length of cube and breadth of the cube is 2 centimeter. So height, length and breadth all are 2 centimeter. So we can take in the second scenario that volume of this cube is 2 into 2 centimeter, that is 2 cube, or we can say 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 centimeter cube. Now remember this, here we are getting 1 centimeter cube, here we are getting 8 centimeter cube. Now let's take the one more. This cube is bigger than these two. So where we have the number of cubes here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can say in all the faces we have 9 cubes are there. That is, in the first row there are 9, in the second row again there are 9, in third row also there are 9 cubes. So in this third scenario, we can say the length, breadth and height are 3 centimeter, as the single cube is 1 centimeter, then the second one cube is also 1 centimeter, third cube is also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is the length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. Now in the third scenario, when we calculate the volume of this cube, so it will be 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, that is 3 cube, or we can say 3 multiplied 3 times, so it will become 27 cube. Now remember what I want to explain you. In this one, where we have the cube of 1 unit, we are getting its volume is 1. In the second scenario, when we are having this cube of 2 centimeter units, its volume is 8. And the third scenario, where we have the length, breadth and height of the cube is 3, so we are getting here 27. Remember, this 27 is nothing but product of the same number 3 times, here 8 and here 1. And also we can say here it is number of cube is 1, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes are here. In the first phase there are 4 cubes. In the second row also there are 4 cubes. So 4 and 4, 8 cubes are here in the second figure. And in the third figure, in the first row there are 9. In the second row there are 9. In the third row there are 9. So this cube is made by 27 small cubes. This second scenario, this cube is made by 8 small cubes, and this is for 1 small cube. 1, 8 and 27. Now, what will happen if I am telling you there are 20 cubes? If I will provide you, can you make a cube by joining the 20 small cubes? Are you able to arrange the 20 small cubes in such a way where the figure what you formed, that will be having the length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height is same. Can you do this? Are you able? That 20 cubes, when you arrange and you get length, breadth and height is same? Answer is no. Only when we take 27 cubes, then only we can form a cube. And when we take 8 small cube, we can form a cube. But when we have 20 small cubes, so we cannot make a cube. In that case, we will get a cuboid where the length, breadth and height is 3 dimensions, not same. What I am trying to say, correct, that cube number is number obtained when a number multiplied by itself 3 times. So in the previous slide where we get 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So we can say that numbers are cube numbers. That means only that number we can take and we can form a cube. So let us think about any number. If you are thinking 25, so let we take 25 into 25 into 25. So it will become 25 cube. Now whatever the answer we get, product of this 25 3 times, that number which we get here after the product of 25 3 times, that much number of cubes when we have, then only we are able to form a cube. So this known as a perfect cube also. Why it is called perfect cube? Because only when we have 27 cube, small cube, then we can form a big cube. That meaning if we have 26 cubes, we are not able to form a cube. Then in that case we have that is a cuboid. So the number which we get after product of the same number 3 times, that product is known as cube number. Also it is known as a perfect cube. So let's take some cube numbers. So when we have 1 and we take 1 cube, that is 1, 2 cube, that is 8, 3 cube, that is 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube, that is 729, 10 cube is 1000. So remember, the number which we are getting this side in the column of cube number, they are also known as a perfect cube, because when we have these number of small cubes, then only we can get a big cube. That is, if we are taking this 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8, this shows that the number between 1 and 8 are not the perfect cube numbers. Here also 8 and 27, between the numbers 8 and 27, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All are numbers. They are not a cube number, because we cannot get that number as the product of the same numbers. Similarly here also 64 and 27, between these numbers all the numbers are not the perfect cube. So that is, these numbers are only perfect cube. Further also we can find out that 11 cube and 12 cube and so on. So we have to remember that these numbers are cube numbers, as we are able to get these numbers by the product of same numbers. So this we are going to learn in the chapter Cube and Cube Roots. So these are the cube numbers.